Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joseph, and today I have something very important, guys. Today I want to tell you something very beautiful. As if you've heard or if you've not heard, this is the information I'm providing to you. On the side of MTFE, we have a new feature that is called the binary feature, of which you can trade and you can double your money within just a minute, guys. You can double your money. For instance, you have $10, you can double your money. If you have $100, if it's $1,000, you can double them. But I'm giving this precaution. This is not a financial advice. It's just a method that you can make money or you can make income online. But also, you should invest what you can afford to lose, guys. You better take a note of this. You should invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, by saying so, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe, because here we just provide naked truth things. We don't provide scamming things. If you're looking for scamming videos, please you can just pause the video and look for another channel and watch. But on my channel, I just provide naked truth things only. So guys, without wasting time, I'm gonna log into my demonstration account and I'm going to show you each and everything, guys, just in a moment. So guys, I'm already inside my account. As you can see on the below tab over here, this below tab over here, we have a new feature. Yes, we have a new feature over here which says contract. So that's the feature that's gonna give us a lot of money, guys, inside MTFE. You don't have to miss this, guys. So you need to have this on your application. If you don't have it, maybe you are an MTFE user for a long time and you don't have this, what you have to do is just go and update your application. It's very simple. You just go to Play Store or App Store. For instance, I'm gonna go to my Play Store over here. You search for MTFE, and after you've just searched for it and it will just happen. For instance, myself, I've already updated. That's why I just only have the feature for opening it. But if you have not yet updated it, it will just show you that to install the update. The update for this time is actually only 11 megabytes or 11 MBs, and the date of today is today the 3rd of May, guys. So I don't know in the future when you're there, because we find maybe some other kind of updates. So after updating your application, you will open it and you will come to your account just like this, and you will find this contract icon over here down. And after that, what you do, you have to click on the profile over here. I'm gonna go and click this profile over here. After clicking the profile, we shall actually go here to transition mode. Here you click on the transition mode. After you've just clicked on transition mode, you will now find this other kind of option, the third option. There is one option that I just increased, this one, and it's called the contract account. That's the third option. We know there is the first one, there's the second, but I also provide another video that explains on how to use this one, the AI smart transaction. That's normal, everybody uses it, and most of people are knowledgeable with it. If you're not knowledgeable with it, I'll provide a video that will show you each and everything. Just make sure to stick on this channel, make sure you subscribe and press on that notification box so I can be getting notification every time when I put a new video. So we are going to place this by pressing this button over here, so to allow this account to work. I'm gonna press it and it will bring this kind of information. I'm gonna confirm, and after just click confirm, just like that, it will be on. So how do you trade? How do you get that kind of money? We are gonna see here the pros and cons of this thing. So first, you wanna trade, right? You just come here to this contract over here. I'm gonna press it, and this is what will open after I've just pressed it. So over here is where you can change the currency. If you wanna trade the forex, if you wanna trade crypto, you change it and everything there. Let me go inside it so you can see. I'm gonna click it. So after clicking it, it will load, and you can see over here we have two options. We have the crypto side and we have the forex side. Okay, so if you know forex very well, you can also trade here very good, and you can make a lot of money just within a minute, guys. So for instance, you want to trade on crypto. I'm going to first to crypto. I'm going to go to crypto. We have Litecoin, Bitcoin. You choose all the coins that you need. For here, we don't have a lot of coins. This is some of the coins that we have, because Bitcoin is very popular. Litecoin, Ethereum, ADA, ETFC, and whatever. So for instance, I'm going to click BNB. I'm going to choose BNB, and we come over here. So after reached here, what you need to do, here you can set, as you can see from here, we have this section over here. It's called the timer, and here is the investment. This is the most important press for you to watch. The first press to watch that is important is here. What you need to trade at that time, and the second press is over here on the investment side. It should be, guys, done very carefully. I repeat, very carefully, because here you're playing with your money. Okay, so after that, what you need to do, you can increase this amount of investment, or you can decrease it, or you can increase it. So the minimum here, you can just put even $1, no problem, just even $1. Yes. Now you wanna put $1, for instance. Okay, for instance, when I keep $1, I'll just press here on the minus button, just check that. I'm gonna press it very fast, and it will be $1. So how do you trade over here? What you do is that you just see, for instance, you know how to read the graphs and whatever. You have seen maybe BNB will rise at this time. Yeah, because you know we have the bears and the bulls, okay? So maybe it will be the position that people buy mostly. Because when people buy, it means that it goes up. When people sell, it goes down, right? So maybe you see this time, maybe people will buy more, okay? So if people will buy more, that means it will go up. So what you do, after pressing the amount of investment over here that you need, you just come and press this up button. And after pressing it, the order will be taken automatically, and it will be taken for only 1 minute, guys. As you can see here, only 1 minute. It will count at that time. So when the first minute is over and the trade is on your side, you get ×2 what you had. So even the lot size that is taken is 1, which means that it takes all of your investment, that which you've just placed it over here. So be careful. If you put maybe $1,000 over here and the trade doesn't go on your side, that means you've lost $1,000. If you put $1,000 and the trade goes on your side, that means you'll get another $1,000. In total, you have $2,000, guys. So this is the best way that you can make a lot of money. Within a minute, a person can make a huge amount of money over here from MTFE. So let's see, what are the pros and cons of this thing. So the first thing, that let's start with the profits or the benefits. I might say that the benefit, one of the benefits, that you get a lot of money within a minute. Yes, just within a minute you can put, maybe say, let's say maybe even $30,000, and you obtain also $30,000 just within a minute. You see how cool is it? It's just a simple amount of money that you get from here. Okay, let's say maybe another kind of advantage over here, that it saves a lot of time. There is other kind of platforms that you can go and trade, but for instance, let's say for people who are trading forex on other kind of applications, you trade there, maybe you have 1,000, although you can double it within a day. Yeah, you can double it within a day, but it might take time because it might lead a graph and might not be good and whatever. But over here it's very simple. You need only to have just little knowledge and you can do it. So those are just some kind of the advantages. Let's go to the disadvantages of this thing, guys. First, you need to put what you can afford to lose. You should not put the amount that you cannot afford to lose. Now, for instance, let's say you have kept maybe $1,000, or let's say $100, and the trade was on your side, you get $100. You'll not receive that $100 in total, that which means that you get $200. No, you won't receive that, because there is the charge fee that they take from MTFE. So, and the charge fee which is taken, I'll tell you each and everything here. The charge fee that is taken is only 6%. So let's go down the calculator so as you can see our calculation. How will it be? I'm gonna go to the calculator very fast, guys. So 6%, that is equal to 0.6. okay, so you kept maybe $100 that you wanted, so I'm gonna multiply to 0.6, just like that, the 6%, which means only sorry guys. Okay, for instance, $10, okay, and you kept all the $10 actual, and you take the 6% of this, for instance, you times 6%, okay, so let's divide by 100. That means 0.6 will be taken. Okay, so if 0.6 will be taken out of that $10, you come and subtract 0.6, just like that, which means that you will have $19.4 after doing the trade, when the trade was on your side, according to the amount that you just kept. And if now the trade didn't go on your side, guys, this the disadvantage of this thing. If the trade didn't go on your side, remember that the charge fee that you're trading through this kind of application, they've rate you trade in a good mode and you're receiving your money, and it's well 100%. You get your money, there's no any way that you can lose your money. If the trade didn't go on your side, guys, I'm repeating, and you invested, maybe it was $10, that means the trade didn't go on your side and you lose all of that $10. I'm speaking this. The trade, if doesn't go on your side, the investment amount that you kept will be lost. Now, not just that kind of amount. Remember, there is charge fee that is 6%. So, which means, for instance, you kept $10 and the trade didn't go on your side. You take that $10 and you add we add 0.6, which will come 10.6. That's what will go, guys, if the trade doesn't go on your side. But if you have the knowledge, you do it and you get a lot of money. Remember, guys, the more you obtain, the more the risk should take. So the higher the risk, the more the return. So that's what basically this kind of new feature is. And guys, when you ask me that, hey Joseph, what do you advise me? What can I do on this? Can I use the new feature, that's the binary feature, or can I just stick on the old mode, maybe using the robot, the AI robot, or just trade manual? On my advice, I think if I'll meet with you personally, or just be contacting you or texting you all the time, I'll first ask you if you have knowledge about these things. If you have knowledge about forex, if you have knowledge about reading graphs in general, I'll ask you that. And if you have knowledge about that, it's good for you because it provides a lot of money, guys, a lot of money. But take note that even those pro ones, they do lose some money. You are a human being, not every day that the trade will be on your side. So that's why, if you note me correctly, I was saying that you should invest what you can afford to use, and this can be done even when you have opened the AI robot. So you can be trading using the AI robot and also doing this buy now at the same time. For instance, maybe you have let's say you have $1,000. Maybe you can use $500, just left it to be traded, and you take maybe $10, you go and trade them on the buy now. And when the trade goes to a side, you make another 10. You can find a lot of money. And the best of that thing is that you can make a lot of money within a day. Imagine, for instance, the trade goes on your side for even 5 minutes, and you are investing maybe 100. You can even have $500 within 5 minutes by just investing $100. But after removing the fees and whatever, it will be deducted actual, but you have a lot of money within that time. So that's it for today, guys. Okay, you have seen this kind of a feature and you want to use it. You have knowledge, you are very comfortable, you have what you can afford to lose. I'll actually advise you just to download the application, and if you can't do it, there's no problem. You can just invest and use the robot to trade very well. Apart from this buy now, and it's very safe, and MTFE is very good for investors. Even if you don't have knowledge, you can invest and obtain money. So I will leave my WhatsApp number on the description. If you face any kind of a problem after downloading this, when you are registering, I'll leave my WhatsApp number on the description. You can just contact me, and I'll also leave the promotion code that will use it when you have already downloaded this kind of application and you want to register, because on the registration process they'll ask you to put either the promo code or the organization code, but most we do use the promo code. You just about the part of the organization code, just leave it as a blank. So I will also leave the promo code on the description, and also I'll leave you a link to my other MTFE videos so that you can learn more and more how to use MTFE and obtain more profits. And also I'll leave the link to my other videos, for instance, videos about earning money on Binance and other kind of applications. I'm here to save you guys. I'm here to show you the way to make an automatic income online. I'm here to teach people to obtain financial freedom. If you face any problem, please contact me via my WhatsApp number, which I always leave on the description down below, or you can just comment here on YouTube and I will answer you directly as fast as possible. So the choice is yours. Face any problem, contact me. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to share this video so you can also share the knowledge to other people. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you've really liked this video, and don't forget to put on that notification bell on subscription button so you can be the first one to obtain this bright and beautiful information. Until then, see you. Peace.